Alright, I don't know how much of this is going to be usable content. No, don't chew on poster tack. She won't leave me alone. I don't know what chronology you guys have as far as viewing what I post. Oh, there it is. But, probably saw a short already. Yeah, she's my little baby. So I tolerate a lot. Anyway, so today, you go ahead and chew on that. That's fine. Oh, now she just knocked off. Today we're going to paint this little gem, and it looks like, for the most part, and of course the one thing I have for magnification I'm actually using for lighting. But I don't see any seam lines. It's actually pretty good. So this is a marilith. I don't know how well you can read that. So I guess we'll move on to the next step. I was going to cut the mold lines off, but I don't think I have to. So this is poster tack. And just going to stretch it out. Yeah, she's cleaned herself now, so she'll probably be alright for a little while. Yeah, stick it on there. Now, stick it on the base. Oh, you probably saw the short of me printing a new thing for my Etsy store. This is not a final. It's pretty close though. I'm actually printing one now that I might actually take some photos of. This paint cup. It's a paint cup. Paint water cup. So, yeah, it's not. I mean, it's not a unique design. Well, it is unique to me. I made it, but it's just the right depth. It's got some ridges on the bottom for cleaning the, knocking off excess paint and whatnot. Spot to hold your brushes, and I have brushes small enough to fit these. This will probably fit in there. I'll mess the end of this up. Yeah, it'll fit in there. So, but you can fit smaller brushes in there. So your aughts and triple aughts will probably fit in there. This is the number 8, so it's pretty big for this hole, but still fits. Alright, I had to edit some stuff out there. Well, hopefully it gets edited out, or it's going to be a really weird video. Yeah, a little bit of a meltdown with my tripod. Oh, my tripod, this is my tripod. This little girl right here that I love. But yeah, there's one holding my phone up. Anyway, so I'm gonna base coat her. I don't know how much we're gonna see as one video. So this is one of my favorite things for base coating. I don't know how well you can see it. It's called Rhinox hide. Games Workshop paint. So get a little bit of my paint there, a little bit of water on it. I just go to work. Don't chew on it. That's yucky. That's yucky. I don't think it'll hurt her, but it gets in the way of me painting. So I should be using a palette, but I'm not. Doesn't matter. I know how much I can thin it down, and this pot's almost empty anyway, so I don't mind getting a little bit of water in it. But yeah, you should be definitely be using a palette. Definitely be thinning your paints. Since this is just a base coat, I'm not terribly worried about it. And as you can see, I'm using the paint pot to right. I think I'll be featuring my cat more in my videos. You guys seem to like her a lot. Which is not necessarily a bad thing. She's very pretty. I like her. Why not share with the world? So I do this till I see little to no gray. In fact, if I see any gray, I'm going to hit it with the brush. And I move it around. So as it's drying, and I'm kind of moving this stuff around. This is just a base coat. When I start getting into the layers, I'll be doing a lot less of this. And I probably won't use her generic base. I'll be probably making a little, maybe a little mini diorama, not something not, I hope she doesn't knock that over. Maybe not quite as involved as the green dragon diorama. But yeah, something different. So that is a base coated marilith, and I'm going to let her dry, and I'm going to give my cat scratches. She loves her scratches, and I'll see you later.